we are getting ready and set up. Start laying tile, and he wants to run it in this direction with the stagger pattern. We did demo all this. This was all tile through here, and the rooms had vinyl hardwood floors. There's a demo of that if you want to see that video. You go through here, the master bedroom. Still in the process of cleaning this up. The bedroom, laundry room, dining room, kitchen, nook area, living room, 2 more bedrooms, and then the bathroom. We got this laid out to kind of see what we're working with. If we start full at the door and run it full over here, it was like a 3 or 4 inch cut piece at the end, and that's too small. So what we're going to do, so starting at this wall, we'll leave about 6 inch piece, and it'll be about the same over there. So that's how we're going to run it. They want it to go with little to no grout line. You got to have some sort of grout line. We're going to use 16th inch spacers.